When I think back on these times and the dreams we left behind, I'll be glad 'cause I was blessed to get to have you in my life. When I look back on these days, I'll look and see your face. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. And everywhere I am there you'll be. Will you show me how it feels to feel the sky within my reach? And I always will remember all the strength you gave to me. Your love made me make it through. Oh, I owe so much to you. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. 'Cause I always saw in you my light, my strength. And I wanna thank you now for all the ways you were right there for me. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. And everywhere I am there you'll be. There you'll be.
Hello, good day from Philippines, my home. Unang-una po, upo po muna kayo lahat dahil 3 hours po yung allocated time ko. Mamutit, congratulations po, natuloy na din yung pinag-usapan natin 2 years ago regarding dun sa retirement plan mo. Sobrang masaya po ako para sa iyo, ma'am. At the same time, malungkot na din dahil hindi na pala kita makatrabaho ulit. Enjoy na lang po sa iyong retirement at good luck sa iyong farming doon sa Samar. Sana makapunta ako doon. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng payo nyo. Salamat for being a friend, ate, nanay, all in one na. Marami po akong natutunan sa iyo, ma'am. Isa po kayo sa pinakamabait at magaling na naging katrabaho ko po. All the best po, Ma'am Otet. I wish you good health and ingat po lagi. Nandito lang po kaming lahat, ma'am, na nagmamahal sa iyo. This is Rock 38471. Bye. Thank you.
Ma'am, magre-retire ka na daw. I feel so happy for you kasi po may enjoy mo na yung lahat ng pinagtrabahuhan mo. Makakapag-relax ka na at marami ka ng oras para gawin lahat ng gusto mong gawin outside work. Ang wish ko po sa inyo, sana na-enjoy nyo yung inyong retirement. At masasabi ko na I feel so lucky na nakatrabaho ko kayo kasi ang gaan nyo pong katrabaho, yung tipong hindi ka mahihiya na magtanong kapag may mga hindi ka maintindihan sa trabaho. Siguro masasabi din po yun ng iba na nakatrabaho nyo at you've been a great boss to us. Yun lang po, happy retirement ulit. Kita-kits!
Hello, Ma'am Otet. Congratulations po sa retirement nyo. Kung naalala nyo, nung magkatabi tayo, meron kayo binigay sa akin na maliit na puno. So, eto na po siya ngayon, tinanim namin. Puno na siya talaga ngayon. Congratulations po sa retirement nyo. And thank you po kasi kahit nung nasa floor kami po ni Chris, hindi kayo naging madamot sa amin or kahit na kanino na mag-share ng knowledge ninyo. Lagi nyo pong ginaguide lahat po ng gustong matuto. So marami pong salamat. Ito na rin po siguro, ma'am, yung time para magawa nyo yung gusto nyo gawin. Alam ko, before, lagi natin napapagkwentuhan na gusto nyo mag-travel. So, ito na po yung time, deserve nyo mag-travel ngayon. Si Chris po wala ngayon. Kasi ako lang yung nakagawa ng video kasi may work siya. So, ayun po. Pero nagsabi rin po niya na congratulations po and good luck po on your retirement. Deserve nyo po to.
Good morning, Ma'am O. Happy retirement day po. Una po sa lahat, gusto ko pong mag-thank you and sabihin na it's my pleasure and honor to work with you po during my working years in Fluor. At maraming salamat po talaga sa lahat ng tulong nyo sa akin. At isa po kayo sa may masasabi kong pinakamalaking na ambag sa career ko as an engineer. At sa inyo ko po nakita yung embodiment of resilience. Kahit na stressful ang trabaho at ang mga tao is hindi ko po kayo nakikitang masyadong na-stress or nagpapanik. Laging chill lang, kalma lang. At hinahangaan ko po yun sa inyo. At lalong-lalo na po sa pagtulong nyo sa pag-solve ng mga problem. Isang tanong lang, laging may solusyon at napakasaya pong katrabaho at isa sa mga pinakamabait na tao talaga na nakilala ko. Kaya nakakalungkot man na hindi ko na po kayo makakatrabaho in the future, pero masaya pa rin po ako para sa inyo dahil matutuloy na ang hacienda nyo sa Samar. At sana po makabisita po ako at makita ko kayo ulit at matikman ng masasarap nyong luto. At looking forward po ako na magkita tayo ulit. I miss you po. Salamat at happy retirement po ulit. At saranghe. I love you po. Bye.
Hi, Ma'am Otet. Gagraduate ka na daw finally, sabi ni Ma'am Joanne. Congratulations on your retirement and thank you for imparting a lot of knowledge to us. It was so comforting na we have you dun sa first offshore project ko. Thank you kasi hindi ka madamot sa knowledge and hindi ka rin madamot sa food. Thank you for always feeding us and miss ko na yung baked macaroni mo and ayun lang, I hope you get to watch all the K-dramas that you want. Wala nang sagabal na work. And thank you for everything. Ingat ka lagi and stay on top of your health, parate. We'll always pray for you and your safety. Ay, you're not seen, baby. You say bye. Congratulations, ma'am. Bye!
Hello po, Ma'am Otet. Mabuhay from the planet of Harlem. Congrats po sa retirement nyo. Wishing you all the best and beautiful things ahead sa next chapter of your life. And happy retirement po.
Hello, Ma'am. Congratulations po sa inyong retirement. Enjoy po sa bagong environment aside from office cubicle. And magagawa nyo na po ang lahat ng pwede nyong gawin mula po sa pagtatanim hanggang sa pangingisda. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng naituro nyo sa akin at sa aming mga naging membro ng inyong team mula sa Penguin Project at sa iba pong project. Maraming salamat po.
Hi, Ma'am Otet. Happy retirement sa'yo. Finally, after how many years na differ. I will always remember yung passion sa pagtatrabaho and yung as a young engineer on how you influence me to do my best sa bawat project. And thank you very much for sharing your professionalism, and I'm a product of your life in terms of pagtatrabaho. And thank you very much also for the friendship. God bless.
Congratulations and happy retirement, Ma'am O. I'm grateful I got to be part of your team. Thank you for all the guidance, support, wisdom, and expertise you have shared. I wish you well, enjoy, and have the most relaxing retirement.
Hi, Tita Otet. I wish you all the best sa new chapter of your life. Enjoy life. Be happy. Say goodbye to stress. Happy retirement. Bye. Love you.
Hello, Miss O. Balita ko magre-retire ka na. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Parang kailan lang nagchichismisan tayo sa Saudi Kayan. Congratulations sa iyong upcoming na retirement. Naligo pa ako para lang sa video na to at pinagalitan pa ako ni Joanne kasi hindi daw ako nag-lipstick. Kaya inulit ko pa to. Para sa iyo ginawa ko yun. Congratulations and enjoy kasi very well deserved.
Hi, Ma'am Otet. Congratulations. At last, makakawala ka na. Makakapagpahinga ka na. Makakapag-relax ka na. Good luck sa bago mong pagkakabisihan. I hope magkaroon ka ng time sa sister mo, sa family, and of course, sa sarili mo. Mamimiss talaga kita, Mamo Otet. Alam mo yan. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you. God bless you.
Hello, Ma'am O. Congratulations and welcome to retirement. We wish you healthy, happy, and exciting times ahead. God bless po.
Pesto.
Hello, Justina. Congratulations, you graduate from Penguins after 3 years of delay, your retirement. From now on, no more IFI, CSI, FCR has built no more expedite from Mr. Lee. Enjoy your new phase of life. Thank you for your great patience and tireless support, which really impressed. Good luck. Thank you.